Hey guys, today we got a 2011 GMC 1500 check engine light. It's hard to start after it's been setting. Like I said, it's running rich. Put the scanner on there. Went to the long fuel trim PIDs. Minus 29 on both sides. Found the fuel alcohol content at 73%. And we're going to try to reset the alcohol content and let's see what happens. Reset the fuel trims. There we go. Let's go back out and clear the codes. Let's see what we got now. Why is it so slow? Man, it's normally not this slow. I don't know what's going on with the scanner today. There we go. Fuel alcohol content 3%. Fuel trims are back at zero now. I like to see 0 on the long-term fuel trims, but it can fluctuate, you know, minus or positive 10. It's definitely better than minus 29. That means it's taking fuel away. If you ever see your fuel trims in the negative, they're taking away. Fuel trims in the positive, they're adding fuel. We're gonna try this first. See what happens. Hey, I want to shout out to the people who have liked and subscribed to my page. You know, we're up to 10. Some people are commenting, leaving questions. Hey, feel free. Yeah, you know, like and subscribe, and I'll upload more videos. And